Some people always adopt a deceitful attitude in their speech or actions in daily life, whether intentionally or not. When this becomes a habit, others view everything they do as dishonest. They may find some success in the short term, but they will definitely lose out in the long run. These people are like water flowing from a mountaintop, which starts up high but gradually descends lower and cannot rise again. Accomplishing one's endeavors through deceit is both dishonest and unreliable. In the end, one will not gain any long-term benefits. In comparison, some people's actions are honest and just, and they meet everything with compassion and lovingkindness. If someone harms them out of jealousy, they experience fleeting irritation. Ultimately, not only will they not fail, but they will find increasing success.